Part 1. Good morning. My name is Sarah. What's your full name?
Good morning. My name is Rahul.
Thank you. Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let's talk about your hometown. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. It's a big city in the north of the United States. It's famous for tall buildings, deep dish pizza, and cold weather.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. I like the city because it has many parks, restaurants, and interesting places to visit.
What do you do every day?
I wake up early, take a shower, and eat breakfast. Then I go to school. After school, I do my homework, watch some TV, and go to sleep.
What do you usually do on the weekends?
On the weekends, I like to relax. Sometimes I go to the park or to the cinema with my friends.
Let's talk about weather. What kind of weather do you like?
I like cool weather. Not too hot, not too cold. I enjoy autumn the most.
What is the weather like in your city?
Chicago has cold winters and hot summers. It also gets a lot of wind and snow.
Part 2. Cue card. Now I will give you a topic. You will have 1 minute to prepare. Then you will speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Describe a friend you like spending time with. You should say who the friend is, what you do together, how long you have known them, and explain why you enjoy spending time with them.
One of my best friends is Alex. We met in school 3 years ago. He is funny and kind. We often play video games or go to the basketball court. Sometimes, we study together before tests. I enjoy spending time with him because he makes me laugh, and he listens when I have problems. We always have a good time, even when we are just talking. We often play video games together, especially football and racing games. Sometimes we go to the basketball court near my house. He is really good at shooting hoops, but I'm better at defense. We also study together before big tests. He explains things well when I don't understand. I enjoy spending time with him because he makes me laugh. When I feel sad or tired, he always cheers me up. He also listens when I talk about problems. That's why I trust him. One time, something funny and a little scary happened. We were walking through the park at night after playing basketball. It was dark and quiet, and suddenly, we heard a strange noise in the trees. We both froze. Then something jumped out. It was just a squirrel. But we both screamed and ran for a second. After that, we couldn't stop laughing. On weekends, we sometimes watch movies together. We both love superhero films and sometimes horror movies, though I get scared more easily than him. We also like going to the mall to eat pizza and just talk about school, games, or life. Even when we do nothing special, just sitting and talking, I enjoy being with him. It feels easy and fun. I'm really happy to have a friend like Alex.
Thank you. Part 3. Discussion. Let's talk about friendship. Is it important to have friends?
Yes, I think friends are very important. They help you feel happy and less lonely.
What do you think makes a good friend?
A good friend is someone who is honest, kind, and helps you when you need support.
Let's talk about food. What kind of food do you eat at home?
At home, I usually eat pasta, grilled chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes I make a sandwich or order pizza.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I can cook eggs, noodles, and sometimes pancakes. I want to learn more.
Now let's talk about travel. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to see new places. Last year, I visited New York with my family.
What is one country you want to visit?
I want to visit Italy. I want to try real Italian. I want to try real Italian pizza and see old buildings.
Let's talk about shopping. Do you like going to shopping malls?
Yes, I like going to the mall with my friends. We walk around, eat food, and look at clothes.
Do you prefer online shopping or shopping in a store?
I like shopping in a store. I can see the product and try it. Online is okay, but I like real stores more.
Let's talk about music. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and sometimes soft rock. I listen to music every day.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't, but I want to learn the guitar someday.
Thank you for watching this full IELTS speaking practice video.
Now, it's your turn to practice. Try answering the same questions. Like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos.